Okay guys, so I'm going to show you something that I need to get done, and want you to see the kind of dirt and grime that's on the front door. So that is something I'm planning on taking care of today. Okay, I'm outside on the front porch, and my door is kind of, I don't know if you could actually see it or not, but you know, it's so bright out this morning. But anyway, I see some spots on the front door. You definitely need to clean it, so I'm going to take the time to clean it. I probably need to do some touch-ups too, but that's going to be for another day. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to see how dirty it was, or is. Okay, our back door, and then same thing again. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Hopefully you can, but you can see kind of like dirt smudges on here, and so I was just kind of going to wipe the door down, and that's pretty much it, is just wipe the door down and give it a little bit of a clean. Okay guys, so my back door is now clean, giving you guys the overall look. Just kind of went over it with a magic eraser and a wet rag. Hopefully you guys can see it. Got all the dirt smudges off of it, and even cleaned the glass. Also, the front door is kind of same thing. Got all the dirt and grease off of it. Wiped it down. This door probably does need a good painting again, but we're not doing that right now. And the front door is now wiped down and cleaned off, and no more dirt, dust, and grime on it anymore. So just giving you guys an overall look. It's completely done. Okay guys, that's a wrap on Caring to Clean. I hope this gives you some motivation to kind of maybe clean your doors or something like that. I just wanted to provide a little short video to you guys on, trying to help maintain your home by cleaning the doors, cleaning the dirt and smudges off of it and stuff. Anyway, make sure you share, like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys later. Bye.